Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Toyota Prius hybrid battery filter. First, gather your tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, and a soft cloth. This simple maintenance task helps your hybrid system run efficiently and can be done in about 15 minutes, saving you money on professional service. Keeping this filter clean is crucial for your car's performance. To begin, locate the hybrid battery filter. It's typically found behind the passenger side rear seat, often covered by a small access panel on the interior trim. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the 2 or 3 retaining screws holding this panel in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the filter housing straight out to expose the filter element. Now, carefully slide the filter element out of its plastic housing. Using your vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment, gently vacuum both sides of the filter to remove any accumulated dust, debris, or pet hair. Be thorough but gentle to avoid damaging the filter material. Do not wash the filter with water or use any cleaning solutions, as this can ruin it. Ensure it is completely dry if any moisture was introduced. Once the filter is clean and dry, carefully slide it back into its housing, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, reinsert the entire housing back into its original position in the car. Secure the access panel by reinserting and tightening the Phillips head screws. Make sure the panel sits flush with the surrounding interior trim. For optimal performance, aim to clean this filter every 6 months or approximately 10,000 miles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.